This printer is HP Envy 6032E. It's a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy, and scan. What I want to do is to show you how to scan documents from this printer to mobile phone. This video tutorial is applicable to all the HP Envy 6000 series. To scan documents, you need to make sure the printer and your mobile device are connected together via wireless network, and we connected both using HP app. This is the ink level for the printer, and this is the printer image. If you scroll down from the app, it will show you scan. So put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner and face down. This is the document we want to scan. And also make sure the document starts from the top left corner of the printer. Close the scanner cover. Then select scan from the app. This is HP app. Select scan. Scroll down and select the size. Select A4. A4 is selected. It will show you a good mark. Then you go back. Source, glass scanner. Resolution, select on resolution. The maximum is 300 dpi. It's currently in 200 dpi. Then go back. Select color. We want to scan the document in color. Then go back. Select back. Then you select, if you want to scan photo, then you select photo. If you want to scan document, select document. If you want to scan badge, select badge. So document selected, then select scan. This is the document we scanned. You need to make sure you select full to capture the whole edges of the document. Then you select next. This is the document we scanned. If you are not happy with it, you select the three dots. Give you option for you to edit it, replace, or delete. But I'm happy with it, so I'm going to close this. If you want to add another page, to scan another page, open the glass scanner and replace the paper. So we're going to scan this. So stick the document face down. Like I said earlier, make sure the document starts from the top left. Close the cover. Then select add. To scan the next page, the same feature. Select scan. This is the document. Then select full. Select next. Cropping and enhancing the document. So these are the documents we scanned. To save this document, select save. Then it will give you the date the document was scanned. You can remove the date and put the name if you like. So I'm going to remove the date and type Vinyl TV 8. Scroll down, then select file format. Select basic PDF. Document type. Document size A4. Then you select save. Then you need to select folder. So select this folder. We'll show you your file has been saved. Then you select close. If you want to print it out, you select print preview. Select number of copies. The size A4. We want to print all. We want to print two-sided. Select two-sided, long edge. And we want to print it in black and white. You can print in color if the document you scanned is in color. Orientation. Can select portrait, automatic, or landscape. Automatic is selected currently. Select more option. Quality. automatic. You can select draft, normal, or best. Automatic is selected. View page, then go back, select print. Printing is completed. This is the document we printed out, two-sided. We scanned this document and printed it out two-sided in black and white. To share the document to somebody via email, select share. Then you select the document, give the document name. We already gave the document name Vinyl TV 8. File type, basic PDF. Size, the actual size is 1.2 MB. You can reduce the size to 0.7 MB or 0.4 MB. Let's say if we want to reduce it to 0.7 MB. The size as A4, then select share. Thank you very much indeed.